7 jurors were placed Tuesday on the panel that will decide former President Donald Trump's guilt or innocence in the New York hush money case, a process that has highlighted how difficult and often contentious it will be to pick a full jury. Trump's lawyers dug through prospective jurors' social media posts to try to root out those with an anti-Trump bias from getting on the jury, even questioning several of them about their posts as the defense team asked to remove them from the jury for cause. That process prompted Judge Juan Merchan to sternly admonish Trump for his conduct toward the first juror questioned about her social media. It was a swift warning that he would not tolerate any attempts to intimidate jurors, an issue that did not come up the rest of the day, but will surely linger over the criminal trial, the first of a former U.S. president. The courtroom is dark on Wednesday, as is expected for the duration of the expected 6-week trial. But jury selection will resume on Thursday with a new panel of 96 prospective jurors who could end up on the panel. Here are the takeaways from Day 2 of the Trump hush money trial so far. 4 men and 3 women have been selected to serve on the jury that will ultimately consider 34 counts of falsifying business records against Trump. A man originally from Ireland who works in sales in New York City was appointed as the jury foreperson, who essentially serves as the panel spokesperson. 5 of the 7 have a college degree or higher education. 2 men on the panel are lawyers. All but 1 juror impaneled Tuesday indicated that they're aware Trump is facing charges in other criminal cases. The woman was the only one of the 18 jurors questioned who said she wasn't aware of the other charges. None of them shared particularly strong views about Trump or politics. When the attorneys finished questioning the first 18 jurors in a process known as voir dire, both sides were given the chance to ask the judge to dismiss jurors for cause. Having jurors removed for cause is an important part of the process because each side is allowed to strike 10 jurors in total for any reason, in what are known as preemptory challenges. Jurors struck for cause by the judge do not count against those 10. Trump's side asked the judge to remove 5 jurors for cause, pointing to alleged anti-Trump social media posts and trying to argue that the jurors were unfairly biased against the former president. While the jurors in this case are anonymous to the public, the lawyers were given the identities of the first panel of 96 prospective jurors on Monday. That gave Trump's team the chance to mine their public social media postings to be ready for their challenges to the judge. When the former president's attorney Todd Blanche was questioning the jurors, he asked them one by one what they thought of Trump outside of the case. He then tried to argue before the judge that many of the jurors' answers that they didn't have an opinion of Trump did not align with their social media.